Volkswagen is introducing the Beetle model in the market, equipped with a 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine sourced from the VW EA211 engine family. This particular power plant is shared with other vehicles like the Skoda Octavia and the Volkswagen Jetta, generating an impressive 148 bhp. It also delivers a robust 250 Nm of torque, managed through a 7-speed DSG transmission. When in motion, the engine exhibits its capabilities by initiating torque delivery at 1500 rpm. This results in a seamless and gradual response to the driver's throttle inputs. Notably, the mid-range performance stands out with its remarkable strength, and the engine displays ample power to accelerate smoothly throughout the RPM range, reaching a red line at 6200 rpm. The ride quality of the Beetle turned out to be a delightful revelation, leaving us pleasantly surprised after experiencing it firsthand. During our highway drives, the Beetle exhibited a remarkable sense of stability, staying firmly planted on the road. Its performance on the highway was complemented by quiet, level and absorbing ride, which left a positive impression. As speeds decreased, a slight stiffness became noticeable over larger bumps and undulations. Nevertheless, the overall ride remained comfortable throughout. What added to the delight was the Beetle's ground clearance, which effortlessly tackled various types of speed breakers without any hassle. In terms of steering, it genuinely demonstrates accuracy and well-balanced feel. However, it did lack optimal feedback, particularly around the neutral center position, resulting in a somewhat numb sensation. This characteristic limited its ability to inspire full confidence during spirited driving around tight bends. Fuel capacity 55 liter. The average total annual cost for repairs and maintenance of Volkswagen Beetle is $612.